So what kind of unit we got here?
A unit with a winch.
Son.
Didn't have to use the
Why, be gosh darn.
Yep.
And a gun rack.
And a gun rack. It's a unit. And it even hauls my gigantic butt around.
Wow, what is this, like 1,000?
Yeah, probably.
Fancy.
Oh my god.
Just took lazy to a whole new level.
How do you, is it hooked on the thing?
No.
Hook it somewhere where I can tighten it up.
Oh, okay, hold on.
You hook it around here.
There you go.
Good?
Good. Hold on, Paxton, can you say that again?
Say that again?
Say it again.
He's too big for that.
Way too big, I think is what you first said. Okay. Oh, don't mind us, just added some humor to the channel.
Yeah. Your son just goes, he is way too big for that.
I'm gonna run you over. I'm gonna run you over. Oh, it fits in perfect. That's what I was wondering. It literally
Don't
drives.
get my car.
What's he doing?
What are you doing?
Hiding. It literally drives like your bike. Okay? The only thing is to put it in reverse, let this all the way go. You gotta get it neutral first. You know how to do that, right? How's your bike? Going down the rest up? What is your bike? Okay, well this one's the same way. Push it down as far as it goes. Okay? But to go in reverse, you open this, push this in, pull this back, and now push down. And that's reverse. Now pull up on it. Pull up. Back in neutral. And then pull up again. That's first. Alright, make a lap. Go slow. Get used to it. See how it feels.
So tell us what we got here. Honda something?
2012 Honda Recon. It's the same thing I had when I was a kid. Except mine wasn't 2012.
No, because you were a kid long before that.
Mine was 2002, I believe. Doesn't look like he's gonna get out of first
Ah, it's
gear.
all leaving in like 5th gear by now.
Which is good because we normally have him with a helmet on for
Yes.
the record. But this is supposed to be a surprise and I couldn't tell him to bring his helmet and ruin the surprise. There is another gear.
Don't rush him, jeez. When you're hauling ass, he'll wish you'd have stayed in 1st gear.
Yeah, probably. I've seen him on his bike. It's scary enough.
So tell us what you think. Yeah, way to be casual about it.
That's all. That's what you think. Well, if that's the case, I'll just put it up for sale. Put the money back in my pocket and get something big for me. You like it?
Yeah.
He's so thrilled, you can tell.
He has no emotions.
Kind of like you.
Definitely like his mother. No emotion.
You have one emotion, but I can't say it on the camera.
That's not an emotion. That's a lifestyle.
Ha!
What are you trying to do? Put a park on?
No.
Put it in reverse? Let it go. You gotta be. Yeah, hey, just for the record, my son is also telling Jeff he's too big for this. Son, look at that Honda. At least I know why they were laughing at me now. It does look a little small. I'll tell you what, that thing will pull your big old butt around though.
But Richard, where are you going? Richard, where are you going?
I don't want to be on my back either.
Camera's on.
Not at least without a...
Jeremy was just describing how he was going to ride a wheelie.
No, Jeremy did not.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, you're such a dick. You want to ride my
Good luck.